Good evening, folks. We are live at 9:38. We got 60 spots that I'm going to take over to random to find our top 7 winners. Of course, we are running the second mini for the DT Vader. There he is. He's awesome. Again, top 7. Taking spots in the main. Going to paste my list in here. 60 spots. There they are. I'm going to pull this up just a little bit so we have it all on the screen. Got a timestamp there. Gonna roll the dice to see how many rounds we're gonna go. Gotta get at least a 5. We got an 11, so we're in great shape as we get set up here to battle. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Danny in the top spot for round 1. Justin takes round 2. Steve in the top spot for round 3. John 4. Eric takes round 5. Steve takes round 6. Gary on top in round 7 with number 29. Mark takes round 8. Tyler round 9. Michael in the top spot for our next to last round with number 28, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winners are David, Brian, Matt, Chris, Gary, Matthew, and Mark. Congratulations, guys. We'll make it official. Coming on down. JAOHQX is our verification code. There's our winners. Here's a look at all the rest. There they are. I'm done at 9, just as it turns to 9:41 p.m. Eastern Time. There it is. One last time, we'll take a look. There they are. Congrats, guys. See you next time. See you in the main, actually. Thanks.